If you're constantly fighting with ratty hair while you're diving and you're looking for the best hairstyles to keep it managed, then stick around. Hey guys, my name's Olivia. I'm a professional scuba diver and welcome to Fully Submerged. Today I'm going to show you a few different hairdos and give you some tips on how you can manage your hair while you dive. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, this is what we're starting with. I normally would do this after a shower. I've never actually tried this, so if it goes horrible, I'll let you know in a few minutes, I suppose. But I am going to try and just like damp my hair with a little spray bottle. We'll see how that goes. So when I start with wet hair, that just makes the hairdo kind of tighter, more smoothed down. I have less little flyaway bits. I have pretty thick hair, you guys, so I'm gonna basically use this whole bottle in order to get my hair wet with how thick it is. Honestly, do I just dump this on my head? Oh my god. Alright, whatever. Good enough. It is what it is. Hopefully that helps some. Yeah, that was pointless. It's already, I literally brushed it and it's already dry. Cool. Cool. If you have thin hair, maybe that works for you. Alright, so we're going to start off with some ponytails. Now, both of these that I'm going to do can be applied as either a low pony or a high pony, but just remember when you're doing your hair for scuba diving that you're going to have that mask strap kind of in the middle of your head, so you want to make sure you don't have your ponytail there. Today we're going to go high pony. So get your hairbrush and your hair tie, hair elastic, hair bow, hair ribbon, whatever you call it. Get that. Get this thing. I have this one, by the way, that is like pantyhose material. They're my fave now. And get your hairbrush. I have a wet hairbrush. I really like my wet hairbrush. It doesn't need to be specifically wet brush. No. But I do like it. So that's that. Take your hair, brush it. Doesn't need to be perfect. You're gonna absolutely wreck it in the water anyway, so don't worry too much. But I'm just going to brush it up into a high pony. If I didn't mention it already, I have very thick hair, so. Okay, once you have it all pulled up, I mean, you guys know how to put your hair in a ponytail, do you not? Tie it, fasten it, wrap it, whatever. Nice and secure. Okay, so sure, you could just wear your hair like this, but this is all going to get tangled and ratty in a giant freaking mess. So what I'm going to do is separate it into 3. 1, 2, 3. And braid it nice and tight. If you're a normal person, you'll take another little hair tie and tie it at the bottom. If you're a weirdo like me, then you have braces rubber bands from probably 10 years ago when my brother had braces, and once he was done with braces, he didn't need them anymore, and I use them as hair ties. Take the little rubber band and tie it. There you go, braided ponytail. If it looks terrible in the back, then, well, hope your dive buddy stays next to you rather than behind you, I guess. Now we are going to do a banded ponytail, so pretty simple. All you're going to do is go a little bit further down your pony and add another hair tie. Go a little further down again. Add a pony. And a little bit further down again. Add a pony. And there you go. It looks better in the water, I promise. Normally I would do this with clear elastics as well, but I only have like the teeny tiny ones. I don't have the like larger ones, and my hair's really thick if I haven't mentioned it before. That's that. I'll put my mask on for you. So now we are going to move on to buns. Okay, so again for buns, you could technically do all of these as a low bun too if you wanted. My hair's already up like this, so I'm going to do them again in a high bun. So first, we are going to do a top knot. So you can just take your hair, usually I twist it just to keep it a little bit more in check. Twist, 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 and then wrap it all the way around. And then I just take hair tie, secure that bad boy down. Not the cutest, but I'm gonna be honest with you, this is the hairstyle that for the most part gets the most messy, but it's also the easiest for me just to undo and redo real quick on the boat. So if that's what you're looking for, this is a good one. What I recommend even more though is to take it and braid it. And then wrap it. That's gonna help just keep it a little bit more secure. And then band it. But you get the point, right? Braid it, bun it. Cool. Another type of bun you can do are space buns. So for that, you can either part your hair down the middle, so you have two even buns. My hair just doesn't really part very well that way, so I'm just gonna part it the way my hair is parted, because that's what I'm gonna do. You guys, we're going scuba diving. We're not winning beauty competitions, so this is just having fun, but being effective with keeping your hair managed. I am parting my hair wherever my hair so feels it wants to be parted today. Then usually what I do is I take one section and I just kind of pull it into a pony while I'm working with the other section. And then I'm going to pull the other one up. And the other side. Are these even? No clue. Alright, and then you can twist or braid just like the other buns, doesn't matter. One. Okay. And last, we are going to do some pigtails. I am going to part at my part. You can also part down the middle if that's what you want to do. Again, I'm not going anywhere but underwater with a strap over the back of my head anyway, so I don't really care if it doesn't look perfect. Alright, and then you can either tie it in a pony like this and then braid down. That seems to work really well, or you can just braid right from the bottom. Or you can do a banded ponytail as well. And you got your banded pony and your braided pony. And if you're even more talented, braids are always an amazing way to go, but you can also make it even tighter by doing a French braid. So we'll see how this goes. So it's not perfect, but maybe I'll get lucky and you won't be able to tell on camera because as far as I can see, you can't. Don't look too close. It's braided, okay? It's French braided. Believe me. Let's go on to a couple other helpful tips. So, first thing is headbands or do-rags. I have a couple of headbands actually. I have ones that are lycra material. You can use ones that are just any headband you have because it'll just get wet and who really cares? This is called Bang Wrangler. So these do stick in my hair better than the other headbands that I have, but I will say that if you do not like something that is tight and snug to your head, this ain't it. This is not the one for you. And I find that these really work best if you have something like a hair style that is low down, because if you find something that doesn't slip off your head, then you win the Nobel Peace Prize in my life, because honey, it doesn't exist. Like, I don't know, maybe my head shape is weird, I'm not sure, but this thing's tight, but even still, it's slipping off my head. Like, that's just how it is. So if I have like a low pony or a low bun or my low pigtails, then this stays on for the most part. A do-rag, I don't have a do-rag, but I, assume you know what a do-rag looks like. That can also help keep your hair not get tangled in the adjuster of your mask. Another option is also just to wear a hood. Also, if you don't already have one, get a strap wrapper. This is a strap wrapper. It just slides onto your mask strap, and it makes putting that mask on and off your head so much easier. I've talked about it before. I'm going to say it again. Strap wrappers. You will never have an easier time getting this mask on and off your head. If you're pulling just this rubber through your hair when you're diving, then bless your soul, because no thank you. Get one of these. Alright, that's all I got. So I hope that this helps you tame your mane the next time you dive. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. You can also find me over on Instagram at Fully Submerged Scuba. And if you have any other hairstyle suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time until we dive again. Bye! And that's a wrap. Good start. I'm not even spraying. There we go. We are This is going so well. Oh, did you hear that? I hope that didn't pick up. My hairdresser would be so proud of me. Or she's going to be horrified. One of the two. We'll see. We'll find out. Spin test. Does it pass? Maybe. What is going on? Surely that's good enough.